In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate folders in Canva. If you're organizing lots of designs, or you want a ready-made starting point for a new project, duplicating a folder can save you time and keep your work tidy. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, and I'll share a few simple tips so everything goes smoothly. Once you're in Canva, start on the main dashboard. This is the home screen you see after opening Canva, with your recent designs and the navigation panel on the left. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Projects. Projects is where Canva gathers your designs, folders, and anything you've saved or organized, so it's the best place to manage folders. Inside Projects, you have two easy ways to find the folder you want to duplicate. If you already know the name, use the search bar at the top to quickly pull it up. If you're browsing, go to the Folders section inside Projects to see everything you've organized. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at actual folders and not individual designs. Duplicating works at the folder level. When you see the folder you want, hover your mouse over it. A small three-dot icon, often called the More menu, will appear on the folder tile. Click that three-dot icon to open the Options menu. In that menu, click Make a Copy. That's the action that tells Canva to duplicate the folder for you. After you click Make a Copy, Canva creates a new folder with the same contents as the original and places it in your Projects area, typically near the original folder. The copy will include the designs and subfolders that were inside, so you have a complete duplicate to work from. This is ideal when you want to preserve an original folder as a reference while experimenting in the copy. If you don't see the three-dot icon, make sure you're hovering directly over the folder, not an empty space or a single design. If the Make a Copy option isn't available, it may be due to your permissions, especially with shared team folders. In that case, check that you have the rights to duplicate that folder or try another folder you own. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Consider renaming the new folder right after it's created so you can tell it apart at a glance. And keep in mind that duplicated content counts toward your storage. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to duplicate folders in Canva quickly and confidently.